Thank you. Thank you, sis. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Amen. Amen. Amen, sis. Oh, look at you. Thank you, guys. Hello. Hello, Zambia. Hello to the world. Oh my God. I'm excited. Look at my two babies. Out with the old. And then in with the new. Yes. Yes. Try some kutamba ama zebra crossing ko America. Yes. Woo. Okay. Oh my God. Yeah. Look, I'm not showing nobody my new number plate. Yeah. Did I just show? Well, yes. This is my baby. This is my new baby. Para Chichi. I can't tell him the. What's it? I send the ribbon. Oh, bye. I will ask him. I can have the ribbon out. Yes. Yes, I drove the older version of this car. And now I'll be riding a new version of it. How amazing. Yes, I'm actually live.
Hi, how are you, everybody? I 1 million views. You're amazing. I was going to ask if I could take your picture.
I took one, but once I'm done with my live, or a picture
of you, just standing right there.
Okay, hold on. Panachichi.
You have to stand and smile.
Please hold.
Next to your friend.
She's actually my sister. Nikachenko phone, like, yeah, she's my older sister.
I could see it's no DNA test required.
Right. Panachichi said, "Munchka like this." He wants to take a picture. Are you going to use your phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, Marika Tasso. I'm still live.
Sorry. She's got over 3 million people right now. Oh, beautiful. Use your Jeep in good health and happiness.
Amen.
Have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm going to get one for your sister, too.
Okay, cool.
You know, family.
Let's do this.
Hold on, I'm going to get the pizza.
Thank
Do that
you.
right thing again.
Thank you so much. I am so excited. Yes, guys. We're going to go now.
Now it.